Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's draw a beautiful scenery. I am drawing a sun first, then I am drawing some mountains. Now I am drawing rainbow. Let's draw a beautiful house. I am drawing a boat in the river. Let's draw an apple tree. I am adding some grass and cute little apples. Let's start coloring. I am coloring sky blue color in sky and water. I am coloring brown color in mountains ab tree trunk. I am coloring green color in grass and treetop. Let's color in rainbow. Isn't it looking beautiful? Don't forget to subscribe. I am coloring in boat and sun. Now I am coloring in house. Hope you like the video. In the last, I am coloring in apples. Thanks for watching.